Hi, this is Mr. Barr, and today I'm going to discuss how to compare and order decimals. Let's do a quick review of the inequality symbols. This inequality symbol is a less than. It is always a less than. And we would write something maybe 2 is less than 8. This symbol is a greater than. It is always a greater than. Just like the letter G is always the letter G, it never changes. This is always the greater than symbol, doesn't change. And we could write that 10 is greater than 5. And this is the equal symbol. It is always the equal symbol. We could go maybe 7 equals 7. Well, let's compare some decimal numbers now using these inequality symbols. Which sign makes the sentence true? So we want to figure out which number is bigger. Now I'm going to give you, if you don't like the decimals, this is something you can do. You see this? I can jump the decimal 2 places on both of these. I could rewrite this as 336 blank 238. What I'm doing is I'm just jumping the decimal on both of these. And now, is that easier for you to compare? There we go. 336 is definitely bigger than 238. So 3.36 is bigger than 2.38. There we go. So that is the greater than symbol. Let's try another one. We have to get these numbers in order from greatest to least. Now, if you want to do a 2 decimal place jump on all of these and then order like that, you want to do that? Let's see. This turns it into a 1. 2 decimals takes it to an 81.7. 2 decimals takes us to 810. 2 decimals takes us to 8.1. Is that easier? So which one's the biggest? 810. Our next one would be 81. Well, it's not 810 though, is it? It's 8.1, excuse me. Our next one is 81.7, which was really 0.817. So that one's done, that one. This one right here, 0.081. So I ordered them up here, and then I had to bring the decimal back in. But this, what should be bigger? You know the 8's the biggest one, right? Because all these guys are little. And then an 8, and then I go down to a 0.8. That's the next one. And then I have to really think about those two. Okay. Let's see. Here's another one. Which sign makes this sentence true? Well, what's bigger? Is 851 bigger, or is 989 bigger? I think it's pretty obvious that this guy right here, he's the bigger one. And here's another putting them in order. I need to find the smallest number. Which one's the smallest? 11, that's a 1, a 1.11. This is a 0.1. This guy's the smallest right here. 11's definitely the biggest. Now it comes down to these two. What's bigger? What's bigger, $1.10 or $1.11 and a little bit of and a tenth of a cent? What's bigger? $1.11. And here's our $1.10. All right, there you go. See you later.